Woohoo! Guess I'm back. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do this again. So we're gonna see this fucker draw again, and I have to be the narrator again. Fuck my life. Because I have another mic that's way louder, way louder than the other one, which is better. Well, let's see this fucker draw now. Let's see this fucker draw the. I have fucking no idea. Should have learned how to draw a script then. Well, can we just skip to the part where he draw the better parts, please? No. Can I? Can I? No. Fuck you guys then. So, in my view, she's drawing the eyes right now. Then the hair, very nice, sharp anime hair. Yes. What should I do now? Compliment about his pencils? No. What? Fuck you guys then. He draw the head of the twin tails, the long ass twin tail that Hatsune Miku have. Fuck you guys, I'm leaving. This sucks again. I tell you I don't want to be in here. Fuck you. Oh my god, the camera's down. Okay, I have finished the art right here. Your video crashed. Oh my god, you're not giving me a sec. Fuck you. Okay, I'm back. Okay, the video crash, my camera crashed. Yeah, so you didn't see the part where I color these beautiful legs. I cannot make the camera see properly. You didn't see that part. Well, that's the only thing you missed. At the same time, some hair details, this up here, and some details on the arm, pants, skirt, sorry, skirt. Yeah, that's the only thing I missed. And at the same time, well, this exploded right in front of my fucking face. Amazing, right? Well, who gives a shit? No one cares about my fucking life anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy that and see you in the next video. Bye!